back to our vegan channel. Computer's still broken, but it's
our
Maddie's
spirits
birthday.
are not broken.
That's true. And it's Maddie's birthday today, so happy birthday, Maddie. How old are we now?
You. 28.
Yes!
You're really excited about that.
I am.
I think it's a fun age. I think it'll be a good time.
28 was a good age for me. I already had all of my 3 kids and my first house, so it was pretty good.
I love my dogs.
Anyway, we're going to be making a beautiful, simple banana cake for Maddie today.
Don't get all choked up.
That is what she requested. I'm going to call it a monkey cake because it's got peanuts and banana in it.
Just to give a quick backstory, this cake is inspired by when King Kong was coming out, the Peter Jackson directed one, and they had a Twinkies tie-in, and they made the Twinkies banana flavored. I just like randomly thought of it, and I was like, I want that.
Okay, so this is going to be very moist and very banana heavy.
Yeah, I want that cake to taste like
banana.
Right.
Oh, it will.
Yeah.
It will. Alright, so it's a very simple recipe. I've already got all my ingredients together. I've got some soy milk here that I have already put some of apple cider vinegar in there. Not only to curdle it and make it like buttermilk, but that's also going to help activate the baking soda and the baking powder. So it's not going to be a pancake, it's going to be a fluffy cake.
Yum.
So in the mixer bowl here, I've already got some peanut butter, just natural peanut butter, creamy. And to that, I'm going to add 4 ripe bananas. And I'm just going to do this real casual, like we're just hanging out, you know, shooting the shit.
Of course.
So, yeah, polar vortex is coming, guys. Yikes. But we're going to have a nice party tonight, and then party today, polar vortex tomorrow.
Yeah, we don't want to worry about that for now.
No. So we're just going to peel our bananas here. These are very nice organic bananas. They look ripe on the outside, but they're still pretty firm on the inside.
Beautiful.
I was also going to say, if you're worried about the ingredient listings or amounts, as always, they're going to be in the info box below. Nice. So as soon as I get these bananas mixed, we're going to take it over to the mixer.
You mean peeled?
Yeah. As soon as I get these guys peeled, we're going to, oh, that one had a boo-boo.
That's okay.
We're going to take it over to the mixer and start the mixing.
Blip, blip, blip. Oh, that banana smells so good.
Doesn't it, though? Mm-hmm. So this is going to take a little bit to mix because I don't want it to be chunks, but I want to have a little bit of chunk in there. So while that's doing its thing, we're going to add some vanilla for flavor, not just for fun.
Ooh,
yeah.
That was a healthy amount of vanilla.
That's right. We're going to add a little bit more oil. Because there's oil in the peanut butter, but not enough. Just a 1/4 of a cup. Nothing tragic. Not like a freaking half cup when you make brownies. And also we're going to be adding some coconut sugar. I'm going to scrape down the sides to make sure that everything is getting incorporated and lovely and beautiful and nice and fine and good. And then we're going to add our curdled non-dairy milk. I know, I'm just going to slop this up.
Oh boy. Not bad. Whoa!
Yep.
Okay, we got a little bit on the
wall.
On the backsplash, but that's why it's there.
Backsplash.
Right.
Get it?
That's what it's for, Daughter.
Yeah. That's looking lovely and smells even better.
Yeah, I'm so excited for this cake.
Alright, so that's all ready to add the dry ingredients, which I already have measured out over here.
Oh, you're so good.
I've got all-purpose flour. You could definitely make this gluten-free just by substituting gluten-free flour. We've got a little bit of Himalayan sea salt to bring out the sweetness, and some baking powder, and some baking soda. Actually, this was soda and then powder. So I think it's probably a good idea to just pre-mix the leavenings a little bit because you don't want a big you don't want a big lump of those going in. You want it to be a little bit more, you know, equitably distributed.
Right.
So we're gonna put like half the flour in just so we don't get the huge flour cloud. Yeah, I'm not the cleanest one in the bunch.
Jealous?
Yeah. Just get that going, and then we can put the rest of the flour.
Whoa! Somebody's having a really good time here.
Do not get out of the car until it stops. Alright, now we can put the rest of this in here. Slopping it up, because that's how we do. Would you say I'm doing the most?
You are, but in a good way.
Okay.
I really appreciate it.
I know you do. Wow, look at that.
Ooh.
And I really appreciate you.
That's a nice, oh, thank you. That's a nice batter.
It is. Looks perfect. Alright, so we've already got our oven preheated to 350. I've got my cake pan already greased up.
You really are 2G.
Yeah.
Ready to go.
That's right. We're going to put half of that in here. I've only got one cake pan this size, so we're going to have to do it
in batches.
Yeah, we're going to have to do it all over again. So let me get half of this in here, and we'll pop it in the oven.
Beesh.
Yeah.
I just licked the thingy from the mixer, and it is supreme.
Layer number 1 going in at 350 for 40 minutes.
Here we go. Love you.
Bye. Alright, they're out of the oven.
Ooh, they smell so
They're
good.
looking amazing. Very nice, spongy. So I've got some accidentally vegan vanilla frosting. Because this is going to be like a big banana Twinkie.
Mmm.
I should have seen if they had banana frosting.
No, we need a little contrast, I feel like.
Okay.
It would be too much.
Well, this is going to be a double layer, so I'm just going to put...
Ooh, look how nice that spreads.
Right? I'm going to put a nice thin coat in between the layers.
Mm-hmm.
Then I'm going to pile that layer up on top.
The cake is really solid. A lot of times with a vegan cake, it's like...
It's crumbly.
But like,
Yeah.
look at how nicely that's holding.
Yeah, it's, you know why? Because of all the bananas in there.
Oh, yeah.
The bananas really make it
Firm.
nice. Yeah. It holds it together pretty well.
I'm so excited for this cake. You have no idea.
All right, well, why don't you check back and I'll show you the finished product.
What? Oh my god.
Sorry, guys, we're not going to cut into it, but this is the finished product. It's quite high.
So good. It's tall.
It's like 5 inches, 6 inches tall.
Cake. I love it.
It's like a bakery cake.
Yeah, you know how hard it is to see a birthday cake before it's time to eat it?
Yeah, I do.
You do, yeah. Oh my goodness.
Well, this cake is bananas.
Yes, it is. B-A-N-A-N-A-S. Thanks so much,
Happy
Mom.
birthday. You're welcome.
I can't wait to dive into that.
I hope you guys give it a try if you like banana. I don't like banana at all, but I do like this cake. It's like ice cream. I don't really like bananas, but I like ice cream made with bananas. So,
I hope you like it.
and happy birthday. You know what would be a great present? Subscribe for her birthday. Till next time, much love.